To add cookie consent in Squarespace, start by opening your web browser and navigating to the Squarespace website. Once there, log into your account by clicking on the login prompt and entering your email and password information. After gaining access to your account, proceed to the account dashboard and select the website where you want to add cookie consent. In the dashboard, you will see various sections, including website, selling, invoicing, content, and analytics, as well as settings. Click on the settings option, which will take you to a page with multiple sub-options, such as site availability, site languages, and regional settings. Select the Cookies and Data Privacy option, where you can choose to display a cookie banner on your site and access advanced privacy settings. From here, you can customize the appearance of the cookie banner, including the Accept and Manage buttons, and select from various layouts. If you wish to disable the cookie banner, simply toggle it off and be sure to click Save to apply your changes.